With another video on investing with fours. I'm going to talk about two of my best ETF, high income Yieldmax ETFs in my portfolio that pays me weekly, that I've been dollar cost averaging in. And first of all, we're going to talk about YMAX. It's trading around $13.85. Today, they've been up over 0.47% for the past week. Down 0.65%. The past month, 1.84%. The past 3 months, up over 4.13%. And the year to date, down almost 20%. Really not too good. And the past year, it's been down 25%. Actually, this fund has been beat down when it first got launched, but it's all about buying low and selling high. So I bought in an average cost of $13.47. I now have over 10 shares with a market value of $141. And this is new, using no margin. I'm using hard-earned funds, hard-earned cash, that I'm putting in from working, from my jobs. It's actually, I got a weekly paying dividend now. It was averaging around $1 a week. Now it's $1.77 now. So I want to get this position where it's paying me 1 share a week. So that's my goal for this fund for right now, is to get it to at least paying me, about 1 share weekly in this portfolio. And that's really what I'm looking for to start, and then go from there. I'll be happy if I could just get this fund to pay me weekly for 1 share for the week. So, and then also, let's actually look at the volume. Trading volume is over 2.51 million. It opened today around $13.80. And you see it has a 30-day yield dividend of 82.4%, but it actually pays out weekly. So I receive weekly dividends from this fund. This fund actually, it pays me well. And let's just talk about YMAX. YMAX is an actively managed fund of funds that invests in shares of other Yieldmax ETFs. The underlying ETFs seek to provide current income and cap gains on select securities through a synthetic covered call strategy. So really not bad on this fund at all. And you can see here, so the funds they track: Yieldmax, mRNA, Google, XOM, Palantir, TSM, Bitcoin option. This is quite a few funds. XYZ. I actually might even look into some of these. SMCI is a semiconductor, NVIDIA, and JP Morgan looks like there. So that's actually pretty decent. I'm holding this one for the long term, and I'm gonna keep buying at these low prices when I can. And let's just see where they actually started out at. Let's see here. Let's see. They started around like $19.80. So then it looked like they went up at a high point here around $21.68, $21.67. So, if this fund can go back up to $20 and you buying low at $13.85, that's a pretty good deal for me. And that's the reason why I like this fund here. And then one of my second favorites that I just bought another $100 worth, and that's one of my favorites here. This is weekly paying dividend, ticker symbol ULTY. I've been buying this since I put $100 in to start, and now I have over 123 shares. I got an average cost around $6.16. Portfolio diversity is up over 39, so this is almost 40% of my portfolio right now. Total return, you can see, I'm up over 1.87%. It's actually been performing well. I got a market value of $774.68, and I got a weekly paying dividend for July 26, also at $11.05. I'm trying to build this position out weekly, and this fund was actually a high fund too that came in. All these Yieldmax funds, that's why I be kind of risky when I buy into these. Sometimes they start out high and they just drop low with this NAV erosion. And so I just wait for a while, and then I try to buy lower prices. That's just like I like to do. I like buying on red days. It's just me, not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing with my portfolio. I've been trying, it took me a while to learn this strategy, to buy in the red only. Sometimes in the green, it just depends on, how beat down the stock is and what the market cap is of the stock or ETF or even cryptocurrency. It's the same way I play the market, all the same. I buy the red. So ULTY is actively managed, seeking to provide monthly income through a portfolio of covered call strategies. Fund generates income via option premiums, dividends from direct held U.S. stocks, U.S. treasuries, positions held either directly or through synthetic base or implied volatility levels. So these are two of the funds that I've liked. That's going to be my big powerhouse weekly paying funds for the long term. I'm going to keep buying. I'm going to keep using that drip and so on. My goal is to get 1,000 to 2,000 a week from just these two funds. And then I can kick back and enjoy life. So comment down below. Let me know if you're trying to retire early like me. Comment down below. Let me know the ETFs you think. Do you like the high-end income ETF? Do you like a regular the long-term growth ETFs? Just keep building. This is what we're doing here. Please let me know your thoughts. And again, everybody, thanks for watching. Investment Force. I'm out. Peace.